you after a day tripping. Then like. We're currently in Germany, driving through Germany to Prague. We secured 4 seats between the two of us. So I'm about to take the best nap because I had someone next to me for the whole ride. Now it's sleep time and it's like 6 a.m. We just got here. We're about to get off the bus. We're gonna get tickets real quick so that we can take the little tram to our hostel.
Eventually.
We just had a tiny little thrill in our first 5 seconds of being here. We got on the tram and you can buy your tickets on the trams. And the train like check guy stops us and he's like, no, you were on for 2 stops. You're lying, like you're trying to get away with no ticket. We're literally like trying to use the machine right now. So we bought our tickets. They were $5. And he like, I think he realized he was wrong and just dropped it. / he saw us buying the ticket and was like, well.
2 hours later.
We have had our ticket checked for the 2nd time since we got here. They do not play. I also think because we're black, like you can kind of tell that we're foreigners. I low-key wish we were staying in Prague longer because having an Airbnb in the tops of one of these buildings would probably be so cool.
A few inches later.
So my city like item that I get every time I go to a different city while traveling is pins. Mostly because they're small and otherwise I would have a lot. They have these really cool like ice cream churro things that seem really tasty and I didn't have any of that. So if I come back, I would definitely try that. I also want to do the Paternoster, something like that. The moving elevators. The building was closed that had them in there, so we didn't get to do that.
Tomorrow for sure.
It's currently 5 a.m. in the morning. We're about to get on the train to go to Budapest. We got a table and we're gonna be here for like 5 hours. We are on our way to the free walking tour that we're going to. We got some food at like a chicken spot. Are we embracing Hungarian culture? Probably not really, but...
Köszönöm is thank you in Hungarian. Can you do that for me? Köszönöm.
Köszönöm.
Well done. Nice unistop. Well done. Okay. There's a shortcut. Thanks is köszi. Köszi in Hungarian. And then we can continue. Then he dies because of old age. Now the walls were ready. Along comes the 3rd one and said, I'm
really good. And then in Budapest they have the same kind of thing, but it's a little different. There are that taxi man just told her that the taxi was free if she got in. Oh, I guess I didn't tell y'all the story. We had these two like white men, probably like 20 years old, relevant to the story, from Bosnia, who like came up to us and were like, can we take a picture with you? You guys are so exotic and beautiful.
Later that same evening.
So we're staying at the Hive Hotel. One thing you should know, if you're planning to sleep, it's not happening. It's a Sunday night. This is how loud it is. This is how loud it is when we're in our room. You basically either have to get drunk enough that like you can sleep through this, be a heavy sleeper, or party until you're tired. I can't see the center, but there's like a center dance floor and a DJ and a bar. And then there's also a rooftop bar up there.
Tomorrow.
We're going to the Zoo Cafe, so you'll see us there. Zoo Cafe is about to open, and actually there's all these people waiting already.
Can we get the reservation?
If you're coming, you should book a appointment. We got lucky. We came at the beginning, like right when it opened, and they were like, you can stay for an hour and a half. Other than that, we couldn't book you in because you don't have a booking. I've never held a chameleon before, so it was like a bucket list item for me. They're so beautiful in person. They have toucans too, but they don't bring them out because they bite. We crossed the Liberty Bridge, so now we're in Buda. Fun fact, one side's Buda, one side's Budapest. We're in Buda. We're gonna go to Fisherman's Bastian, and then we're gonna go to the Buda Castle. That was the Liberty Bridge. Pest is more like the, I don't know, vibrant, awake, the like younger city. I don't know if it's actually younger, but Buda is a lot more calm, tranquil. I think more of the like old-timey buildings are here. The castle is here, like government buildings are here.
A few moments later.
Back with another episode of how many stairs do we have to take until we get to Fisherman's Bastian and Matthias Castle? And the answer is a lot. And it's still pretty high up. Hoping the view's nice though. We stopped near Fisherman's Bastian. We're getting food. So we're going to ask somebody if there is a way to go inside the buildings, if any of the buildings are open. That being said, don't think so. It doesn't look like it. This is probably like a two-way so people can see me, but like, hey. So we are in the district near the Bastian, and the streets are so colorful. It kind of feels like you're in Italy.
8:01 p.m.
Please, we're literally just walking, and this man slows down his car in the passenger seat, and he goes, psst, and then he goes, and drives away. Like, how many times are we gonna get catcalled while we're here?
1 hour later.
We went back to our place to chill in the hostel, and now we're on our way to the boat tour. So we paid $16 to be on this boat with like 4 other people, unlimited drinks, and a beautiful view. Budapest trip was a success.
Eventually.
This was cute.
I would 100% recommend it.
From the two of us, we love you. Hope this was helpful, and hope the next time we see you, it's in Budapest. Bye. We had a good time.
Video for YouTube. She makes video.
Hello.
Bougie ratchet.
I forgot
Sassy booty.